If you're a service advisor and you think the next step is just doing more of what you're already doing, it's not. I put together the exact playbook for making the jump from the drive to the manager's office. Here's the honest truth nobody's going to tell you. Being a great advisor and being a great manager are almost two different jobs. One is about the customer in front of you. The other is about every technician, every part, every number in the building, and it's all at the same time. Three numbers will separate advisors from the managers: your effective labor rate, your labor gross profit, and fixed absorption. The one your GM checks before anything else. Learn to calculate these by hand. Don't wait for the dashboard to hand them to you. As an advisor, you filled your own day. As a manager, you fill the whole shop. And the customers don't complain about the labor rate. They complain about how long the car sat. That's called cycle time, and it's now entirely on you. Two relationships will make or break your first year: your parts manager and your factory rep. A 5-minute weekly stand-up with the parts manager prevents most of your comebacks, and warranty chargebacks will show up months later. Documentation now is the only real defense you have. The hardest part isn't the spreadsheets. It's leading people who were your peers last month. Be consistent before you try to be liked. Protect your technicians' flat rate hours and align with your dispatcher every single morning before the doors open. CSI isn't just a survey anymore. It's decided in 4 moments: the greeting, the explanation, the wait, and the handoff. And if you want a quick win, mandate video MPIs. Customers trust what they can see. Here's your roadmap for the first 90 days. 30 days, just listen and learn every number cold. 60 days in, you fix exactly one broken thing. Don't try to fix everything at once. At 90 days, you're running at your own rhythm and not inheriting somebody else's habits. If you want the promotion, stop asking for it and start proving it. Track your own numbers. Volunteer for dispatch. Bring data instead of opinions. And once you get the title, don't touch pay plans in month 1. That's the fastest way to lose a team's trust. Everything I just covered, the numbers, the relationships, the 90-day plan, it's all in the full field guide. The link and the QR code are right on the screen. Go grab it and run that shop.